step into the 2007 Toyota Tundra Senior 5. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include keyless entry, AM/FM stereo, power steering, cruise control, 4-piece carpet floor mats incorporated, door sill protector, engine immobilizer, passenger airbag on-off switch, 4-piece carpet floor mats incorporated, door sill protector, and power outlet. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.